How to turn on incognito browsing here on epal. So here at epal we can turn on our incognito browsing. So what does that do? So it basically does when you're in incognito and you want to visit a profile, for example, want to visit this profile right there, because sometimes when you visit profile right here, they will get alerted. Once they get alerted, yeah, the person that you visited will know that you visit their profile. So they could say, yeah, stalker. No, no, I don't visit once, just stalker. No, it will be like that, something like that. Anyways, guys, I'll teach you how to visit a or how to turn on the incognito browsing right here. All we need to do is open up our epal right here, or epal, haha, and right here, and then click on the bottom right corner right there, profile icon. At the press on the bottom right corner profile icon, you'll be located here at your profile right there. Now all we need to do is on the top right corner, you will see settings icon. Press on the settings icon on the top right corner right there, as you can see. After pressing the settings icon, next thing we need to do right here, once we are located right here, you'll see here, what you call this, privacy. Press on the privacy right there. And here on the privacy, you will see incognito privacy, privacy browsing. All we need to do is press on incognito browsing right there. So once that's turned on, there you go. You don't need to go back, and you can now browse. You can now check and watch and so much more. When you click on privacy again, and click on that, it'll turn off. So there you guys, that's how you do it. I hope you guys did. If you enjoyed, if you have a question, consider below the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here on how to rock, guys. There you guys, and thank you guys.